Next thing that I think is pretty interesting is what kind of returns are people getting on their 401ks? I was actually delightfully surprised at how high the returns are. I've seen studies before showing what the average investor has earned in equities, or at least earned in their investment accounts. And they're often anywhere from 1% less than, say, just a blended portfolio or from a pure equity portfolio, to as much as like 4 or 5% lower on an annual basis. So I've seen them drastically lower in other studies from other sources. This one's showing they are earning quite close to the market return. You look at the top part of this page, you're going to see the average 1-year participant return. So we've got 2020 was around 15.1% was the total return, 14.6% in 21, loss of 15.8% in 22, gain of 18.1 in 23, and a gain of 13.7 in 24. So that is actually tracked pretty closely to a 60-40 portfolio. That's actually not bad performance out of the average 401k participant. I frankly expected it to be lower when I first looked at it. So that's good that people are mostly picking an allocation and sticking to it. If you look down below, you can kind of see what people's allocations to equities have been. So you're seeing they've gotten a little bit higher. We've gone up from about 72% to 75%. So allocations, both in terms of existing balance as well as the contributions to equities, are getting a little bit more aggressive. It does make me nervous given how expensive I think the US market is today, but it's still worth looking at and seeing how yours stacks up. Always want to keep in mind, though, your personal risk tolerance, goals, all that kind of good stuff.